Welcome, and from me is the OPPO A9 from 2020, and today I'll show you how to enable power saving mode. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, extend it to get more of the icons visible, and from here you can see power saving mode. Simply tap on it. You can see that the screen just went a little bit more dim, and as you can see now power saving is enabled. And if you want to disable it, you can simply tap on it again to disable it, and you can also hold it to go into the settings, and where you have a couple additional things that you can check around. So power saver gives you a bunch of things that you can basically optimize. So turn off GPS, optimize the power auto launch off, so you can go around, see what suits your needs, what it basically scans. And I think it also will probably give you apps that are using a little bit more power than they should, and sometimes it might actually show it wrongly. So you might want to consider what apps are what, because I'm pretty sure, at least for me, WhatsApp would appear here because WhatsApp runs in the background, and well, kind of should if you want to get notifications. So you might want to make sure that what you will be killing is the thing that you want to turn off. But you have also here high performance mode, which is, well, the exact opposite of power saving, and just additional options. Let's see here also. So yeah, that's basically about it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.